In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos in Hailuo AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose between downloading with or without a watermark so you can get the file you need quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and head to the Hailuo AI website at hailuoai.video. Give the page a moment to load so the dashboard and navigation populate properly. You'll be working right from the main interface, no tricky menus or hidden settings, so everything you need is easy to spot once the page is ready. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the sidebar and click on Video. This is the area where Hailuo AI organizes your video creations and related tools. After you click, you should see a gallery or list of your available video outputs. Each item typically appears as a thumbnail that represents the content you can open, preview, or download. Now, move your mouse over the video thumbnail you want to save. When you hover on the image, an overlay with action icons will appear. Among these, find the download icon. It usually looks like a downward arrow. Click that download icon to bring up your download options. If you don't see the overlay at first, make sure your cursor is directly over the thumbnail, not the surrounding space, so the controls are revealed. At this point, you'll be given the choice to download the video without a watermark. This is the clean version, ideal for sharing with clients, posting on social, or adding to your portfolio. It's the version you'll want when you need a polished, professional result that doesn't display any branding or marks over the footage. You'll also see the option to download with a watermark. This is helpful when you want to review drafts, share internal concepts, or get feedback without circulating a final, unbranded file. It's a quick way to keep working copies separate from your final deliverables. Choose the option that best fits your use case, and the file will begin downloading to your browser's default location, typically your downloads folder, in a standard video format like MP4. That's it. Visit Hailuo AI, open the video section, hover over your chosen thumbnail, click the download icon, and pick either without watermark or with watermark based on how you plan to use the video. As a best practice, always make sure you have the rights and permissions to download and share the content. If your browser prompts you to allow downloads or pick a folder, confirm the choice so the file saves where you expect. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined downloads in Hailuo AI.